foundationally, if somebody is sitting is a teenager, let's assume between 13 to 16, 17 में बैठा है, and 20, 32, 33 में आएगा, what are the fundamental things you feel they should definitely imbibe right now? 2-3 skills which you feel.
Yeah, देखो, first of all, I would say explore your interests and passions and develop them. So you got to love what you do. Now, around
love what you do and do what you love.
Yeah, so if you do what you love, you will love what you do.
And I think so. What you also mentioned is explore is very important, because अगर हम इतने में ही सोच रहे हैं तो हमारी visibility नहीं है.
That's true. Therefore, keep dabbling, drifting, exploring, trying out various things to figure out what you love and what you're, right? And if you love what you do and you do what you love, you will spend enough time at it. It won't seem like work. And if you spend enough time doing something, you will become excellent at it. So if you're excellent and you're doing what you love, opportunities will open up.
Yes.
Opportunities will open up. And आप वो required skills आप acquire कर लोगे. You should start the other way around. You shouldn't say, I must learn public speaking when I'm in class 4. That's rubbish. No, my son must learn public speaking when he's in class 7. No. He must be confident. No. Let him be. Let her be. They will become confident through life. So don't use a cookie-cutter approach. This is the box. They're fitting it. No.
तो क्या करना चाहिए?
Make them do what they love and love what they do. If they do that, they'll become good at it and excel at it. If they excel at something,
तो excellence सिखाना जरूरी है.
excellence सिखाते नहीं है. Excel आ जाती है.